Departing Fairview Fly-In. Pretty good turnout today. Do a quick check here.
Fairview traffic, Skyhawk 879ers, a flight of 3 departing 35. Be a right turnout, Fairview.
Runway's clear, final's clear. Everything's ready to go. You all set?
Yep.
Little left crosswind, occasionally. How many planes do you think were there this morning?
20? No, more than that.
I would have guessed 30.
Yeah.
Fairview traffic 14470 taxiing to runway 35, Fairview.
Fairview traffic, Mooney 1381, Whiskey 10 miles to the southwest, inbound, left traffic 17, Fairview.
Left traffic one side.
And inbound traffic, Fairview to come use caution, numerous traffic is departing. Runway is 35, winds out of the north, altimeter 3028.
El Reno traffic 221, Echo Foxtrot, turning right base for 35, El Reno. Traffic 621.
What's funny is in the climb right now, we have a higher ground speed than we had in cruise on the way here.
Coming back. Or, yeah.
879er, 0.75. 03 Quebec. 25 X-ray.
879ers up.
03 Quebec's up. And 25 X-ray, I've got the Thompson dialed in. Both of you are in sight. I'm going to pass you on your right. Just go to 3500 for me.
Roger.
55, Travis.
Affirmative.
I got Jim on our right. He's low.
Yeah, I can see him. Passing us like we're standing still.
Hopefully that's what 160 horse will do for us.
Yeah. We'll find out.
So when are you going to pull the engine out?
I think the last week of December.
You got an engine hoist?
No, but there's a few on the field. I got a couple options.
I've got one if you need one.
I appreciate that.
Just think in a couple months you'll have power like crazy.
We're looking forward to it.
Did Jeremy ever get back with a quote on the panel?
Negative. I bet you forgot.
Cherokee 91 Whiskey, 5 miles from Final Approach Fix, cleared RNAV, runway 35 right, Wiley Post, contact Wiley Post Tower.
All right, inbound to David J. Perry for some Young Eagle rides. Oak City's very busy today. It's a beautiful day to fly, so it makes sense.
And Cherokee 91 Whiskey, maintain maximum forward speed till Final Approach Fix.
TBM 850 Golf Mike, change of plans, cancel radar services, we're landing at Page.
TBM 0 Golf Mike, radar service terminate, pre-exchange approved, squawk VFR.
Good day.
Like, offload him.
And Oak City, good afternoon, Skyhawk November 4705 Delta.
Got a pretty good
Skyhawk,
tail
what was your call sign again?
Yeah, it's November 4705 Delta. We're about 30 miles northeast of the Will Riders VOR, looking for flight following to David J. Parrott.
Skyhawk 4705 Delta, squawk 0445.
0445, and we're level at 5.5 for 705 Delta.
Skyhawk 4705 Delta radar contact. 5 miles southeast Kingfisher, altitude indicates 5,500, Oak City altimeter 3034. Proceed on course David J. Perry at or above VFR 5,500.
3034 at or above 5,500, and we do have the weather at Westheimer for 05 Delta.
Roger.
Good job, Kyle.
Skyhawk 879er, maintain VFR at or above 3,500.
At or above 3,500, 879er. 03 Quebec, I'm going to start down.
Copy that.
879er, I'm going to take us a little bit further south here just so we can get down, and we'll plan on left traffic 31 if that works.
Okay, see approach Bonanza 147 Papa Whiskey at 6,000. 2222. Copy.
And I'm going to go ahead and go to 0.7 now.
Hang on, answer taken.
Yeah, this is 147 Papa Whiskey at 6,000.
147 Papa Whiskey. Okay, altimeter 3034.
034 7 Papa Whiskey.
Oak City approach, Skyhawk 4337 Lima.
Oh my God.
Skyhawk 4733 Lima, Oak City approach.
Yeah, 25 miles northwest inbound to David J. Perry with Lakeside Flyover.
Skyhawk 4733 Lima, squawk 0457.
0457, 37 Lima, limit at 5,600.
Oak City approach November 79, Charlie 4,000.
November 79er, Charlie, Oak City approach. Expect visual approach runway 35 right.
David J. Perry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2 is 8 miles to the northwest inbound landing. David J.
And the 5489er Delta, Oak City approach. Oak City altimeter 3034.
Looking for traffic.
Full stop 36.
And 9er Charlie, maintain 150 knots if able.
1,000 feet to our altitude.
2 miles to the north, starting to the northwest, lost call from there.
Got the airport inside over there.
Oh, yeah.
Charlie, you want
For the last 10 miles.
exactly
A lot of chatter.
150, exactly, or less.
Traffic when you final 36, full stop right there.
Sedation 0 Whiskey Romeo, traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles southbound, land center 6,500.
Got one right under us.
Romeo looking.
RV 3 numbers Sierra, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles northeast,
Going behind us.
citation level 7,000.
3 November Sierra searching.
Lights are all on, fuel suck valve both, mixture's enriching, you're still seat belted.
Yep. Do we need to cancel with them?
Oak City, Skyhawk 879er, we got David J inside.
Sundance traffic, Skyway 224, come back. 3 November Sierra, is that citation site?
There's 3 Sierra, roger. Skyhawk 879er, delete altitude restrictions, radar service terminated, frequency change approved.
We can change approved and delete the restrictions. Thanks for your help, 879er.
There's a bump level.
We're downtown 12 to the south, inbound for a full stop, Cessna 49785.
David J. Perry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2, 4 miles northwest, will enter a left downwind 31, David J. That was a little busy, huh?
Yeah. Good controller.
Yeah, super good. That guy was really on it.
Yeah. I mean, he came back with the squawk for us, and we didn't even say anything.
He's like, I'll get this guy in the system and figure out what he wants later. Well, we weren't really his problem.
No, he's just like, oh, I want to talk to him because I got conflicting traffic.
Yep.
Well, I guess at that point he didn't know that was us.
Nope.
Sundance traffic, Husky 954 Lima Tango. On 45 for left downwind, runway 36. Parting traffic is in sight, Sundance.
We're just going to go straight to the fuel pump.
Okay.
I guess that's a good thing about flying a Skyhawk. We were able to get down from 55, like, less than 10 miles away.
Yep.
David J. Perry traffic, Skyhawk 879er, short final 31, full stop, David J. Little right crosswind. The RVs made it in time, didn't they?
Yep.
All right, time to top it off.